Step up to the cable, grab the handle with your arm lined up with the cable. Perfect. You want to be about half a foot away from the cable. Put this hand right on your hip. Bring that elbow, tuck it into your side, come to a 90-degree angle, then go all the way down. Squeeze that inner head of the tricep. Shoulders are back and down. Feet, knees, hip perfectly lined up, but keep your knees slightly bent. Stick your butt out so your back is nice and solid. Abs tight. Breathe in on the way up, blow out on the way down. Shoulders are back and down. He's looking straight, not moving around. Look at his wrist. It's nice and solid. It's not moving around. When you come down, keep it as close to your hip as you can. You don't want to bring it down to your thigh because then you can't lock out your tricep all the way. Keep your arm perfectly perpendicular to the floor. You don't want it forward, you don't want it back too much.